the way we have it set up now, it takes the user, the site visitor, once they enter here into this, this funky page here, hosted by Mailchimp. Clearly, what we want to do is we want to keep them on our site. So how do we do that? Well, first off, we need to get out of localhost. So what I'm going to do is, and you know how to do this, so we're just going to make it nice and simple to show you. We're going to put this on our Dropbox. See, waiting for Dropbox to update. There we go. Okay. Well, first off, we're going to go ahead and close this down. And what we're going to be working on here is we're now going to be working in this folder. All right, let's set everything back up to how we had it. And so we're going to be making changes live to the Dropbox site. And you can already guess why this font is not displaying correctly. It's because I didn't put it in with the secure HTTPS secure access. All right, now we're good. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to create a new page to take them to first. So let's go ahead and just new file. Just go ahead and copy everything from index, because right now the important part is not what's in the page. I just want to show you how to do this. So we can just delete this whole row. And let's say H2. Say thank you for subscribing to our newsletter. And you can say whatever you want here, but I'm just doing that for now. Paragraph. Before we can start sending you our awesome content, we have to make sure you are human and not a funny robot. So basically what we're doing is, we're making them confirm in their email that, this is a legit email address, and we're letting them know this. Please, an email has been sent to your inbox. Please open it and confirm your email address to start receiving updates. And you can take more time on that content. That's not the point. And what we are going to do is we'll call this subscribe/confirm.html. Sure, doesn't matter what you call it. Okay, so now we have that saved there. Now what we need to do is copy this public link, make sure it looks good. Good enough for now. And we'll go ahead and copy this. And let's go to sign up forms. Go to general forms. And we're going to go to all right. See, this is what it took them to. The almost finished right here. We need to confirm your email address. And what we want to take them to is this page right here. So we've copied the URL, and all we have to do here is save that. So now if someone is on this page and they enter their email address, it takes them to the page we want to. Awesome. All right, so that's step one. Now, step two. Once they go to their email, actually, let's go ahead and do it first. Or no, I'll show you this first. All right, so once they go to their email, they're going to see an email like this, which you can edit here. So please confirm subscription. Yes, subscribe me to this list. There's the wrong link. Keep clicking on the wrong stuff, sorry. And then what we want them to do is once they say, yes, subscribe me to this list within the email, then we want to take them to this confirmation thank you page. And we're going to create a URL again, custom URL right here. Say thanks for signing up. Here are your goodies. So once again, we'll create another new file. We'll paste it here. And we will, here we go. And we'll say, thanks for confirming your email address and welcome to the club. For joining, here are some goodies we promised you. And you don't have to do this. You can write whatever you want here, but it's common practice to kind of give someone something in return for joining your email newsletter, and it's nice to surprise your users with cool stuff. So if you have any cool tutorials you created, or any of your favorite blog posts or most popular blog posts, you would link to them here. All right, or anything you wanted to give them for signing up to your newsletter, you would link to it here. So let's go ahead and save this, and we'll say subscribe success. Doesn't matter what you name it. And once again, we are getting accustomed to this now, so let's go ahead and copy public link. Let's put it in here just to make sure it's working. All right, and once again, things to do are link these to the correct pages. Blog shouldn't be active right now. It can if you want, but these are all things that you know how to do by now, and we're not going to take the time to do in this lesson. It's a bonus lesson. Also, you can update the footer if you wanted to as well. So, but for now, we have this page set up. You see how to set it up, and now we're going to paste the URL here and save it. Redirect URL saved. Awesome. And now if someone says, yes, subscribe me to this list, it should take them to this page right here, and they're right back to your site, which is awesome because you have them back at your site. You can direct them, with different blog posts, like we said, and different content, so you can keep them on your site. Beautiful. All right, so we've learned in this lesson how to implement how to put this in here, how to connect it to Mailchimp, and then how to, give it your own personal URLs so that you keep them on your site and keep them engaged, and it's a nice, smooth user sign-up experience. So congratulations on that. And next, we are going to learn how to style lists advanced. So we'll be moving on. Good job, guys.